Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. And we are very excited because it's finally raining. We've waited since spring for our first real rain to come, and it's here. So we have attached our IBC Totes to our downspouts, and we are going to show you how to use IBC Totes as rainwater collection barrels. This is our first tote, and it's been working really well. So I'll show you as the rain comes down what is going on. As you can see, we've connected a flexible downspout connector, which we got at Home Depot. They're about $8 is I think what I paid for them. And that goes into the 6-inch port on top of the IBC tote. And I'll put a link in the description of previous videos we've done on how to clean IBC totes so that you can see all the fittings that they come with and how they work. So the downspout goes in and it fills up the IBC tote, and then down here under the tarp is the spigot. Now when the tote gets full, and it can overnight, you just open the spigot up and water will pour through. It's filtered by the straw, so just in case there's any junk left over, the straw will filter it out. And then it trickles through this drainage area here. This is basically concrete on our side yard. I threw down some extra pond liner we had from a pond project we did a few years ago, which helps the water to not leak out from underneath these flagstones. And then it just drains into a ditch that I very quickly dug into the garden yesterday when it started to rain, so that the water could flow through this river channel here and soak into the garden soil. As you can see, we have turned on the spigot and wanted to show you just how the water can drain out. So it's now, the rainwater is draining through the straw, and then it just comes out through the channel and it will pour into the garden. We don't have very much water right now, but we will after this storm has passed. So I will keep you updated on the progress and show you how it's working. And this is where the trench exits. From here it just floods into the ground, and it is absolutely amazing how much water the garden soil can retain. It can soak up 300 gallons of water, no problem, after a rain. Thanks for watching. We have some big storms coming up this week, so hopefully I'll have a chance to show you more about how the rain barrels work and the different configurations that we have set up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.